Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Panasonic headphones model number RP-HF400B and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to your device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, they're not working for whatever reason, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason is if just for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start with these headphones and wipe all of the pairing history and everything off of it like you're just coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that real easily. All we need to do is first let's make sure the batteries are charged in these before we try to do it. And then we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold the power button for approximately 5 seconds. And when the headphones go into their Bluetooth search mode like they're trying to pair like they normally do, then we're just going to come in and press and hold the plus and minus buttons and just press and hold them for 6 seconds while it's doing that Bluetooth searching. And then once we'll know that it's worked when the LED will blink quickly blue, indicating that the thing is resetting to its factory default settings. Once that happens, you can go to your devices and delete the delete these headphones off of the devices, and then go ahead and pair these headphones as a new set of headphones.